When I go to restaurants, I love to give my server a frog as a little gift. I always, always, always tip my server because in the United States, that's an important part of their income. Try to find a nice dollar bill. This is really fun and super easy once you get the hang of it. I'm going to fold it once, the triangle, and fold it again, just lining up this edge. And this is important because the dollar bill is just a little bit too big, but the way that I do it, it works to the advantage. So folding that up, and then you're going to fold in these edges. And then tuck it in. Okay, and now it is the perfect size to make a frog. So I'm just going to fold here, fold here, and then do the same thing over here. So what I've got is two halves that are squares, right? I'm going to fold it in like that. I'm going to do it on the other side, and just keep in mind that where this is folded in, this is where we're going to make the legs. So it'll be extra strong for hopping. So remember, head, legs. I'm going to start off by folding my legs in. 1, 2. And do the arms. Okay. Now I've got my arms and my legs. And remember, it matters because this is the thicker part where we have the legs. Then we're going to put our thumb on the head, right? Pointing head toward the sky, and just fold right down along the middle line. Now what I'm going to do now is probably the trickiest part. And I'm going to take this piece and fold it up. I'm going to put it down. And this makes little pockets. And this side needs to tuck in the little pockets. One side, another side. So now I've made my frog. I'm going to fold them in half, right where the two halves go together. Fold it back down and try them out. Pretty cool. Have fun.